Close to the people and nature, Bureau Montaigne Réunion allowed me to discover life on Réunion Island, from its beginnings to the present day. They transformed a simple hike into a fantastic adventure. Thank you. A truly beautiful hike, and Arnaud is a wonderful guide. Spending the day with him was pure bliss. The scenery was magnificent. We'll cherish the memories of our first trip to Réunion. Thank you, Arnaud. Pure bliss, both for the views and the guidance. Keep up the great work. Thank you, Arnaud, for sharing your passion with us. Hikers, there's no better guide on Réunion Island. Fadi. A lovely, well-guided hike to discover a beautiful chapel. Stevens was a great guide, showing us the local flora and fauna,